Ever wondered why your home feels uncomfortable despite having an air conditioner? Why, despite the temperature being just right, it still feels sticky or too dry? Today, we dive into the concept of humidity and how it plays a significant role in your home's comfort. Humidity, in simple terms, refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air. It's a crucial factor that affects how we perceive the temperature around us. Ever noticed how a warm day can feel much hotter when it's humid, or how a cold day can feel even chillier when it's dry? That's humidity, or rather the lack of it, at play. When the air is humid, it holds more moisture, making it harder for our sweat to evaporate. This delay in evaporation prevents our bodies from cooling down efficiently, making us feel hotter than it actually is. Conversely, when the air is too dry, moisture evaporates too quickly, which can leave our skin feeling dry and our bodies feeling colder. Now, imagine this scenario in your home. Regardless of the temperature you set on your air conditioner, if the humidity levels aren't balanced, you might still feel uncomfortable. And that's why it's not just about the temperature. It's about striking the right balance between temperature and humidity. So how do you ensure the right humidity levels? It can be as simple as using a humidifier or dehumidifier. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, making it ideal for dry climates or winter months. On the other hand, a dehumidifier removes excess moisture from the air, perfect for humid climates or the sweltering summer months. To summarize, the comfort of your home depends not only on temperature, but also on the balance of humidity. Too much humidity can make your home feel sticky and hotter than it is, while too little can make it feel dry and colder. Striking the right balance with the help of tools like humidifiers and dehumidifiers can significantly improve the comfort level of your home. Remember, it's not just about turning up the air conditioner or cranking up the heat. It's about understanding what makes your home feel comfortable. And in this case, it's all about humidity. So next time you feel uncomfortable at home despite the temperature being just right, consider checking the humidity levels. You might just find the solution to your comfort woes. And with that, we conclude our exploration of humidity and how it affects home comfort. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you can make your home a haven of comfort, no matter what the weather outside is doing. For more details, contact Medina Mechanical at phone 416 424 4328.